Join me Thursdays at 10 a.m. for live SketchUp workflow sessions. Here's a clip. And then I'm just gonna hop over into LayOut and see like what happens when I update. If anything goofy kind of jumps around over there. All right, so we've got like, you know, these fixtures and the towel. So a little trick with like the towel, you know, I might not want that towel to show the way it is. So you can set that to be your 3D object. So if I double click in here and tag that as a 3D object, 3D objects don't show up in plan. So 3D objects never show up in your plan, only 2D graphics. So, and 2D graphics don't show up in section, elevation, and perspective. So for section, elevation, and perspective, you get your 3D object. For plans, you get your 2D graphic. So whenever you do that though, you got to make sure that, like, if I go back and look at like existing conditions plan light, looks like we're good. We should be good here, and I'm going to save it. But let me see if this actually updates right here. Okay, so see, that didn't go away. And this is kind of a common gotcha with ConDoc, is that we need to hit the scene update and save. What that does is it like reminds all the scenes, kind of like refreshes all of our tagging. So if you've assigned new tags, you got to hit that scene update and save. And now when I move over here, it goes away as expected. So just a little gotcha. I mean, I think you could even do like, you know, change your keyboard shortcut of Control S to be the scene update and save if you're using ConDoc, because